champ is here! The champ is here!
Alright, what's up fam? So, we got the Magic Box Bluetooth speaker that I've had for years. I mean, I think I got this years ago when I was doing a lot of reviews for this company. So I still got it. It still works. I had it on my one wheel. I don't anymore because I sold my one wheel. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's see if it works very well. So power button there. It's on. It's a very, very comfortable place to put it, right here in the box. Yeah, and that's it. I mean, that looks pretty good. So let's test out some music here. Hopefully we don't get flagged by YouTube, right? And let's go with some song. Bruh. Bobby Caldwell, baby. Anyways, so it sounds really, really good. It's only one speaker. Now, I do believe that with an iPhone, you can connect to multiple Bluetooth speakers at once. If so, if that's the case, then I'm going to put one probably right here. But what I want to do is, this is just a tester one. I might keep this one there, but I want to look at one of those JBLs, one of them bigger ones, something that's kind of a little more custom looking that I can set here. So that way, really, you can just set it and forget it, man. And you can always take this off, just like I can take this off to to charge it. So it is what it is. Enjoy.